Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys, and I also want to show you my bag for the weekend. So the bag that I'm carrying this weekend, this is the Coach Field Tote 22 in the color Petunia Pink. I was using my Petunia Pink accessories this week in my Empire 40. So I decided to go ahead and pull out this little cutie, and I love just the simple Coach leatherware. You bring that closer. I love just the simple Coach leatherware embossing here on the leather. And then to dress the bag up, I did attach my dice charm. So cute. I absolutely love this bag. This is how it looks on the side. And this bag does have feet. So I would say that this bag is pretty comparable to the Marc Jacobs small size bag, and I love it. My favorite part of this bag is definitely this crossbody strap. I love the burgundy and petunia pink color. And I also made sure to use my petunia pink accessories. So this is my Win wallet, and this setup is just so perfect. And so I do have two boxes here to share with you guys. Now I had been stalking these few pieces. I first noticed them on Boss Lady K's channel, as well as my girl Dazzle Me 77. I believe Dazzle just has one of these pieces, but Boss Lady K unboxed 3 pieces from this collection for her birthday. So her birthday collection, her birthday haul was epic. If you guys are not familiar with her channel, I do recommend checking her out. This is what I picked up, you guys. This is the Coach Crystal Jacquard card case, and it is so pretty. Do you see this? I have never seen this in person until today. The C's are completely made of those crystals or rhinestones. So this is really pretty. Here is the tag, you guys. These just came back on the Coach website on, I want to say Thursday, May 1st. And my SA had already reached out to me to see if I was interested in them, and so she added me to the list. So this does have like a nice gusseted accordion on the side, you guys. And I love these little card cases from Coach. They hold quite a bit. So I'm just getting some of this paper out of there so we can take a good look at the color of the interior. I absolutely love the color of this leather. It's a little bit lighter than the rust brown color, and it's really pretty. I'm not quite sure. No, this color of the leather on the inside is called burnished amber. So if you have any Coach pieces, I think in the tan rust and of course in the burnished amber, I think it's gonna go really well together. So pretty. So I'm really excited to add that to my collection. And honestly, I don't think the camera does it justice, but you can kind of see with my ring light how shimmery this is, you guys. And then since I was there in store picking it up, I also got another hang tag. So this is a large hang tag. This is the color bold red, and I just got my name on there, Jay Brown, and a little butterfly. So pretty. You guys know I absolutely love dressing my bag up with these customized hang tags, and I believe the large size is now $15. So those are the first 2 things that I want to share with you guys, and then let's get to this larger box. And my sales associate, she is such a sweetheart. I didn't even tell her initially that I wanted it, but she knew. I think she just had a feeling that I might be interested. So she went ahead and added my name to the list, and I'm so glad and so grateful for that. So she did do the gift wrapping for me, even though I didn't necessarily need that. So here is the second piece, you guys. This is the Coach Swagger 22. This is gorgeous in person. Like I said, this is my first impression seeing this with you guys. I opened up the card case while I was at the store, but I wanted to wait until I was on camera to open this up with y'all. And it is so pretty. And so it does have two hang tags here. So there's a regular hang tag that just has Coach on the front and back. And then this second hang tag, it says the Swinger Limited Re-Edition 1987. So I hope the camera is catching that. This is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. That zipper is super smooth, you guys. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna take the stuffing out so we can take a look at the inside together. And it is fabric lined, and also that burnished amber color on the inside. And it has 3 card slots right here on the back. I don't know if the camera is catching that. There we go. It has 3 card slots right here on this back wall. And it is beautiful. Now I did take a look at the dimensions prior to purchasing this, and I have been waiting for these to restock. Take a look at the dimensions of these prior to purchasing it, and this is a little bit bigger than the Coach Nolita 19. So I'll put the dimensions for this on the screen, but it does have a pretty wide base, like a decent amount of depth. It is definitely wider on the base than the Coach Nolita 19 from the outlet. And I'll come back, you guys, and do a comparison video for you guys between the Swinger 22 and the Nolita. So this piece is really pretty, and it does come with a chain strap. I do wish that it came with a leather strap as well, like the larger size. And I've heard that the larger Swinger in the Crystal Jacquard was a Dillard's exclusive. So I don't know if Dillard's is ever going to restock it, but this is what the chain strap looks like. And that is so cute. So I definitely have a few charms and other things in silver hardware to wear with this. So let me zoom out. So this is what it looks like with the chain strap on. That is so pretty. Absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use it. Definitely for date night. It looks like it would be a great date night carry, a nice mini bag. And I'll definitely find one of my longer silver chains to even wear it crossbody as a mini bag. I think that would be really fun. So here is what it looks like also with the little card case, and I absolutely love it. So just a quick little unboxing for you guys. And then here is my hang tag with the little bag, you guys. That is so pretty. So I did not get the red hang tag to necessarily go with this, but it does look really cute with this bag as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Are you interested in the Crystal Jacquard collection? If so, you guys, make sure you act quickly. Make sure you act quickly because these sell out so easily. And you know what? I am sitting right here. This is one of my pieces from Dress Up Your Purse. That matches really cute if I wanted to carry that with this. You guys see that? This is that mini M case, and it matches the burnished amber really well. Y'all see that? So I would definitely use that as a mini catch-all inside there if I had to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in the Crystal Jacquard collection, or if you own any of the pieces, I'd love to hear from you about that in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, YouTube.